Some scientists estimate that if current trends continue, Arctic ice could disappear by 2015. Regrettably, once Arctic ice melts away, there's no turning back. Kickstart change. Glide into the future. Issues and obstacles. After learning firsthand about the impact of our actions on the Arctic and Antarctic, I believe that global climate change is an issue we must address. The water cycle connects all the water of the world. Burning carbon releases stored carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Air pollution accumulates as greenhouse gases, causing global temperatures to rise, climate change, and severe weather events around the world. Warm air and water melt glaciers and ice caps more rapidly and raise sea levels, threatening fresh water supplies. Every place on Earth is affected in some way. The cure for climate change is to find sustainable solutions that address equity, economic, and environmental concerns. This diagram shows how the three pillars of sustainability are eroded by global climate change in my home city of Saskatoon and my home province of Saskatchewan. Warming winters have allowed pine beetles, West Nile virus, and ticks with Lyme disease to move north, affecting human health and our economy. Extreme weather events like tornadoes and hail damage crops and infrastructure, endanger health, require unexpected government expenditures, and lead to cuts in important social, public transit, and environmental programs. The melting of the Saskatchewan Glacier in the Alberta Rockies eventually will lead to the loss of the main fresh water supply for the South Saskatchewan River, and already creates unreliable water levels and threatens local species. One study showed that Saskatchewan has the highest per capita energy use of any region in our country, and the second highest per capita energy use for transportation. Kickstarting change. So what if we started to embrace the natural world around us? To slow down our sense of time, to imitate some of the animals that captivate us, to improve sustainable transportation initiatives that exist, like kick sleds and bikes in Scandinavia, priority given to bike storage and bike routes in Denmark, and dog sled lanes in Greenland. Saskatoon could be the first place to have dedicated kick sled lanes that don't require clearing snow or using salt, and to have youth build a kick sled fleet from reused materials. The plan. Kicking into action. This plan involves building kick sleds, organizing a winter festival, and establishing infrastructure. Phase 1. Build kick sleds. Introduce a competition in industrial arts class to design and build kick sleds. Gather outdated and damaged skis, reusable wood, and metal. Award donated prizes for the most innovative, efficient, compact, and eco-friendly design. Phase 2. Winter festival. Set school goal for number of kick sled use days and total number of users. With Switch and Earthkeepers, plan a winter festival, invite elementary school students. Offer kick sled races, dog-pulled kick sled rides, and other winter activities. Hold educational fundraisers like a snow sculpture contest and ice wishing well. Sell ice lanterns and ice cream floats. Phase 3. Kick sled lanes. Join forces with Saskatoon Cycles to lobby the city for kick sled lanes. Build awareness by participating in the Ice Cycles Winter Parade. Designate kick sled parking areas. Construct kick sled hitching posts. Implementing this sustainability project could help kick many bad habits, especially the addiction to fossil fuel. Here's how. Counter planned obsolescence by repurposing outdated skis and reusing materials to reduce waste. Counter isolation from nature and people by experiencing nature and encountering people without physical barriers. Reduce energy use and pollution by replacing warm winter vacations with staycations. Counter the brain drain of video games with activities that promote skill building, meaningful design, and creativity. Replace obesity and poor health with daily activity that builds fitness and endurance. Stop wasting energy working out in gyms by replacing gratuitous exercise with meaningful labor. Counter the addiction to speed by embracing slow culture. Avoid air pollution from idling and incomplete combustion by leaving vehicles at home. Limit fossil fuel consumption and damage created by producing gas. Snow removal on kick sled routes is not required. Use human and animal-powered transportation. Make a brighter world by kicking these bad habits. Follow me on the sustainable transportation route. Let's kickstart a new approach to climate change.